10% of people always pick the top package because they're worth it. They want to prove that they have the money is one reason. They want the best for themselves, not because of flashy or showy, but they want the best. They want the top stuff. So 10% of your people are always going to pick the top one no matter what. And so we added a 10-ish thousand. I think it's like 9,600 or something like that. We added one that's just around $10,000 a month for a 15-month contract. And part of it is for, remember what we called price anchoring. Part of it is, wow, 10 grand a month. I'm not sure if I have a 10 grand a month budget. And then they can look at the other two and see that one is around 4 and the other one is around mid 5s. So around 4, mid 5s. All right, what's the difference in these? And they see there's not a big difference between the top and the middle, but there is a big difference in price. It's almost double. So I'm going to go ahead and just pick the middle. And so that's going to hopefully, we'll see, because this has worked for my other companies and for this company for other reasons, for other packages. So we've decided to go ahead and add this package, and I can let you know how it goes. Basically, we've got the price anchoring. We've got the 3 different prices. And we want everybody to pick the middle package, what has been our platinum. But of course, we were losing a little bit of money on the platinum prior to this for the last 8 months straight, which is a long time. For the last 8 months straight, our marketing packages were costing the client about what it costs us. So we have been basically breaking even, doing crap ton of work and breaking even. So we had to add a little bit of profit margin. We had to add a little bit of profit margin into there. And so we did that by increasing the price by about $1,000 on the lowest and the middle, usually it was the lowest and the highest because there was 2. And now we've got the 3. So we added a little bit of cost. We add a little bit of investment onto those 2 packages, but also we have that 3rd tier that I think is still more than worth it. And we're probably going to still have 10% of the people that come to us and want us to grow their show, get in front of more people. 10% of them are always going to pick that top package. Remember that. That's something I asked you to write down. 10% of the people will always pick the smallest package because they want a good deal. They're on a budget. They want to work with us. They want our help, but they've decided, hey, we're just dabbling. We don't need the top thing. We don't need the middle thing. I'm just going to see what this one's like. So there's a lot of psychology. 10% pick the smallest, 10% pick the biggest, and about 80% of your people that come to you, especially if you do this right, the Goldilocks way, 80% of them are going to pick that middle package. And so this is going to allow us to have 80-ish% of the people coming to start picking the platinum package, which used to be our top package. And we've added about $1,000 to it.